The kidney is an essential organ in maintaining the stability of the body, not only filtering the blood, but also regulating pH and electrolytes. Although the kidney represents only a small part of the body, its functions have a profound impact on overall health. When this process is disrupted, the body may face serious issues that we may not immediately recognize. Therefore, understanding how the kidney works to maintain acid-base balance will help us take better care of our bodies. Every day, the kidneys work tirelessly, adjusting chemical reactions in the body and keeping everything stable so that we can live healthily. Let's explore and witness the wonders of this mechanism, from the intricate details in every kidney cell to the amazing results it brings to the body. 1. The role of the kidney in acid-base balance. The kidney is an organ that not only filters the blood, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance. When the body experiences changes in the levels of acid or base in the blood, the kidneys work continuously to adjust and keep the blood's pH at an ideal level, around 7.4. This helps the organs in the body function effectively and consistently, ensuring that enzymes and chemical reactions in the body occur normally. To maintain this balance, the kidneys perform a series of complex processes. One of the main functions is the reabsorption of bicarbonate HCO3 from the urine back into the blood. Additionally, the kidneys also secrete hydrogen ions, H+, into the urine to reduce the amount of acid in the body. These processes not only help stabilize blood pH, but also protect the body from the negative effects of acid-base imbalance, such as fatigue, respiratory disorders, and digestive issues. Therefore, the efficient functioning of the kidneys is essential in keeping the body healthy. 2. Blood filtration and distribution to the nephron. The blood in the body needs to be filtered continuously to remove waste products and maintain chemical balance. This blood filtration process begins when blood enters the kidneys, where the cells and specialized structures within the kidneys are responsible for separating waste from the blood, while retaining essential substances for the body. This process takes place within the functional units of the kidneys, called nephrons. When blood enters the kidneys, it is distributed to the glomeruli, where the blood filtration process begins. The glomeruli are small clusters of capillaries where blood is filtered. About 1/5 of the plasma in the blood leaves the capillaries and enters the renal tubules, while blood cells and large proteins remain in the blood. The initial urine contains water, electrolytes, glucose, and other substances. The renal tubules then continue processing, retaining useful substances such as water and electrolytes, while eliminating waste and excess substances from the body. This filtration process occurs very quickly and efficiently, helping the kidneys filter millions of liters of blood every day. Along with this, it helps maintain electrolyte and water levels in the body, creating an ideal environment for cells to function. The accuracy and continuity of this process are crucial factors in ensuring the body maintains stable health. 3. Structure and function of the renal tubules. The renal tubule is an essential part of the nephron, playing a crucial role in filtering and regulating waste in the body. Each nephron consists of a glomerulus for blood filtration, followed by a system of renal tubules that help process and reabsorb vital substances. The structure of the renal tubule is divided into several segments, each with its own specific function. The renal tubule begins with the proximal convoluted tubule, where most of the water and electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and glucose, are reabsorbed into the blood. Next is the loop of Henle, which is divided into two parts, the thin descending limb and the thick ascending limb. The loop of Henle helps create a concentration gradient of salts, retaining water and adjusting the concentration of substances in the body. Afterward, the renal tubule continues through the distal convoluted tubule, where the final adjustments of waste and electrolytes in the blood take place. Finally, the renal tubules empty into the collecting duct, where the final urine is formed and excreted from the body. The structure of the renal tubule is intricately designed with cells that are capable of precisely absorbing and secreting substances, ensuring the body maintains an ideal balance of water, electrolytes, and waste products. Through the coordination of the various parts of the renal tubule, the processes of filtration and reabsorption occur efficiently, helping the body function healthily and steadily. In particular, the cells in the renal tubules have specialized surfaces called microvilli, which increase the surface area for more effective absorption. These cells are also very responsive and capable of adjusting their function based on the body's needs, helping regulate the amounts of electrolytes and water in the blood. Thanks to this complex and refined structure, the kidneys can precisely and continuously regulate all the essential factors in the body. 4. Bicarbonate reabsorption and the related chemical process. Bicarbonate, HCO3's reabsorption in the kidneys is a crucial process that helps maintain the stability of blood pH. When blood is filtered through the glomerulus, a large amount of bicarbonate enters the initial urine. However, the body needs to retain most of this bicarbonate to maintain an ideal pH environment in the blood. The bicarbonate reabsorption process primarily takes place in the proximal convoluted tubule of the nephron. As the initial urine passes through the proximal convoluted tubule, bicarbonate encounters the cells lining the renal tubules. Here, bicarbonate reacts with hydrogen ions, H+, secreted by the renal cells to form carbonic acid, H2CO3. The enzyme carbonic anhydrase, present in the renal cells, helps break down carbonic acid into water and carbon dioxide, CO2. These molecules of water and carbon dioxide easily diffuse through the cell membrane into the renal cells. Inside the renal cells, the enzyme carbonic anhydrase continues to combine water and carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid, which is then dissociated into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. Bicarbonate is transported out of the cells through a sodium bicarbonate transporter, combining with sodium, Na+, to be reabsorbed back into the blood. Meanwhile, hydrogen ions are transported into the renal tubule to be excreted from the body. This reabsorption process helps the body retain bicarbonate, which acts as an important buffer system in maintaining stable blood pH levels. The effective reabsorption of bicarbonate from the urine also helps the body maintain acid-base balance, preventing excessive acidification or alkalization of the blood. Therefore, the kidneys not only help eliminate waste products, but also participate in regulating the internal environment, ensuring the proper functioning of the body's organs. 5. Hydrogen ion secretion and related mechanisms. Hydrogen ion, H+ secretion is a crucial process in maintaining the body's acid-base balance. When the acidity in the blood increases, the kidneys work to eliminate excess hydrogen ions, helping to prevent blood acidification and maintain a stable pH in the body. The process of H+ secretion primarily occurs in the proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct of the nephron. As blood passes through the kidneys, hydrogen ions are secreted from the blood into the renal tubules through specialized transport mechanisms. One of the key mechanisms is the exchange between sodium Na+ and hydrogen H+ in the proximal convoluted tubule. Here, a transporter protein on the cell surface moves sodium ions from the renal tubule into the renal cells, while pushing hydrogen ions from the cells into the tubule. This process helps eliminate hydrogen ions while bringing sodium back into the blood. In addition to the sodium-hydrogen exchange, in the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct, alpha intercalated cells use energy from ATP to transport hydrogen ions into the renal tubule. These cells have a specialized proton pump that helps expel hydrogen ions. Through this mechanism, the kidneys can secrete large amounts of hydrogen ions, helping to maintain stable blood pH levels. However, to ensure that the urine is not excessively acidified during hydrogen ion secretion, the kidneys use buffering systems in the urine. These buffers, including the ammonia and phosphate buffer systems, bind with hydrogen ions, reducing pH fluctuations in the urine. For example, ammonia, produced from the breakdown of amino acids in the proximal convoluted tubule, combines with hydrogen ions to form ammonium, NH4+, a form that has a lesser impact on the urine's pH. Thanks to these hydrogen ion secretion mechanisms, the kidneys not only help remove excess acid from the body, but also protect the body from dangerous pH fluctuations, ensuring the stability of the internal environment. 6. Buffer systems in urine and the role of ammonia and phosphate. The buffer systems in urine play a crucial role in maintaining the pH of urine at a stable level, helping the kidneys eliminate hydrogen ions H+ without excessively lowering the urine's pH, which could harm the body. During the secretion of H+, the kidneys use buffer systems such as ammonia and phosphate to bind with hydrogen ions and prevent sudden pH changes. One of the main buffer systems in urine is the ammonia buffer system. This process begins when the renal cells in the proximal convoluted tubule break down amino acids, such as glutamine, into ammonia, NH3. Ammonia is a molecule that easily permeates the cell membrane and enters the renal tubule. Here, ammonia combines with hydrogen ions to form ammonium, NH4+, a form that has less impact on urine pH. Ammonium is then excreted from the body in the urine, helping the kidneys eliminate a large amount of hydrogen ions without excessively acidifying the urine. The second buffer system in urine is the phosphate buffer system. Phosphate, particularly monohydrogen phosphate ions, HPO4-, plays an important role in maintaining urine pH. When hydrogen ions are secreted into the renal tubule, phosphate binds with them to form dihydrogen phosphate, H2PO4-, a soluble compound that helps maintain urine pH at a safe level. This phosphate buffer system is particularly important in assisting the kidneys to handle excess hydrogen ions without lowering urine pH to dangerous levels. Thanks to these buffer systems, the kidneys can efficiently excrete hydrogen ions without causing significant changes in urine pH. The ammonia and phosphate buffer systems help the kidneys maintain the stability of the internal environment, ensuring that the body keeps blood pH in balance and the organs function normally. As we conclude our journey, exploring the kidneys and their vital role in maintaining acid-base balance, you now have a clearer understanding of one of the most remarkable organs in the body. The kidneys are not just filters, but protectors of health, ensuring the body remains stable and healthy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next engaging videos. Share this knowledge with your friends and family, as everyone needs to better understand their body. And be sure to turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest information from us. Thank you for watching, and we wish you always stay healthy and full of energy.